You just found the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. The Silverado 3500 HD has the strength to haul the biggest loads and still give you a quiet, smooth ride. You may forget you're in a supersized, heavy-duty truck. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, tires all-terrain, keyless entry, navigation system, 8-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, 4-wheel drive, Bluetooth connection. Rest assured and get the job done with confidence in the Silverado 3500 HD. Take it out for a test drive today.